All right, turn around.
How you doing?
Hey y'all, it's Friday, so today is July the 5th. We literally leave in the morning for vacation. I cannot wait. But anyways, y'all, it's 7 p.m. right? Yeah, 95 degrees. Woo! I ain't got no. Oh, I do, y'all. I do. I do. So we ain't playing them games. I do. So that's a good hype song though. But anyways, what today looks like. So I have done everything. Everything is done. I literally still just need to shave my legs because I wanted to wait for the day before to do that. And then my nails did not last, which I knew that they wouldn't. So I got those press-on nails. So I'm gonna take this off, apply my press-on nails sometime today or first thing in the morning before we get ready to go. Now, with everything that I'm putting in the trunk, Charles thinks like, oh, it's not gonna fit. Your girl can make things fit, trust and believe. We got 3 of the same size suitcases, 2 beach mats, I got the beach umbrella, and then beach toys, bag of towels, and his stuff. Trust and believe, everything is going to fit. So we'll be packing the car up tonight. Right now I'm gonna get ready to go with my mom in a little bit because I want to make sure that my car, when I took it for an oil change the other day, they tried to say that the valve cover was leaking. So my grandfather was going to check on that. And then that's really it. I don't need anything else. I really need to straighten my hair, so I think I'm going to make my mama do that. So I'm going to take my straightener. Matter of fact, let me get like a little bag together here. So I'm going to take my straightener. I'm gonna take the nail polish because I started on Sky's fingernails and toes, but I only got one hand done and I don't like that. So that's what I'm gonna get ready to do. When I come back tonight, all of the containers have to be put away, and then I have a bunch of trash to get rid of. Crazy, right?
I've had 5 plays, and
Where you going? Outside? Oh.
You have to play home. Are you going?
What? What happened?
no, what happened?
You the one that went in the room?
The bat bag guy. That one sucks.
You went in
Yeah, you came out.
Smell. What is that smell? Why do you spray heart spray? That stinks.
I'm so glad I can't smell
Ew.
it.
Really, you sure you ate fart?
That stinks.
You want to fight?
I didn't.
No, that's fart.
Y'all, it's about 100 degrees out this piece. Alright, y'all, so my mama straightened my hair. As you can tell, the humidity out this piece is ridiculous. So it's kind of not really staying, but it is what it is. I don't think we have any plans on doing the pool or the beach tomorrow, so really it is what it is. Right now I'm currently taking trash, and I'm trying to hook up 2 things in here while I have a moment once I get the trash out of the car. So I'm hooking up this piece right here. This is gonna go up here so that my camera can, you know, be displayed in here. But then I also have that 3-channel camera that I got from Temu that I'm gonna try to hook up in here. I think I'm just gonna do the front one because I don't need the back one, and kind of like go from there. But anyways, I'll show y'all how to hook that up and then go from there. All right, so this one goes towards the rear camera. As like I said, I'm not using that one. Want to make sure everything else is plugged in. Here's our suction. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. and then unclamp it, as you guys can see. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place it up in the window. Okay, it goes in the car jack. Alright, so because we don't need that back camera, I took that piece out because it was making it dangle, but this is what it looks like. All I have to do is put in the SD card and then be ready to go. Hey y'all, so we're finally in the car, getting ready to head out on our road trip. Bucky's is packed as hell. Literally.
I think it is.
It's packed as huge. Would I ever come back in Bucky's?
Can I say it? Hell no.
No, I don't. I don't think we would, because apparently it was holiday weekend. So
Hell to the about to make my daughter.
Cam got a, what did you get? A chicken sandwich, fried chicken sandwich.
Daddy,
And then they both got slushies. I just gotta pee, but the line was so long. Okay, y'all, so because Bucky's was so freaking packed, we decided to come over to the local Taco Bell here in Florence. And let me just say, it took me what, 7 minutes just to be able to use the bathroom. Oh my God, ridiculous. But needless to say, it's gonna take us 1 hour and 30 minutes to get there to the resort. So that is the reason why I went in and used the bathroom. So you're gonna hook it back up and have it up on the dash so that I know when I'm going to arrive. So the good thing is hopefully we'll be there like around 4 because check-in is 4. So even if we have to wait, a-okay. Oh yeah, Maryland.
That Crafty Crab.
Look, can you see it? Look straight ahead. I gotta zoom in on that. Woo!
done that. I've done that.
Literally, I parked right there.
I'm well, that is just because skinny.
We all skinny, Sky.
Okay, so we are going to. We're getting ready to go to the aquarium, and then we're gonna go. Where we going, babe? Where we going, babe? Where we going, babe? Where?
To the Joe's Crab Shack, baby.
What you getting?
Everything, baby, including you.
Oh, you trying to sing Carrie Hilson?
No, I'm trying to sing this again.
No, that's what Carrie Hilson said. It's
that's
every
what I
baby.
said.
No, you trying.
No, I won't. I'm gonna sing another woman than you right in front of you. Ain't
Yeah.
that disrespectful?
You
Not
like-
that because I'm on vacation, I'm being cute.
You like that Carrie Hilson?
I like that Sierra Hills. This is a spot, ain't it? 20 minutes, ain't seem like it.
My favorite song from Michael Jackson is "It's Beating."
Get low.
Hi. Look at me. Alright, we're out at Broadway at the beach.
You just hit straight route.
Huh?
I said if you would have fought Bucee, you just hit straight route.
Nah.
Oh yeah, I forgot we're going to that mall. I see it. Mommy, did you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
See, look, that's it.
Yeah.
They got something.
Come on. The hangout is packed. The hangout is packed. Oh, where they get up on the table.
Oh yeah, Build-A-Bear. That little girl got Build-A-Bear.
It depends on what you get.
So it's a 45-minute wait. Whew. We'll just check out some other things here first. They moved it around. A light. These people don't know excuse me or nothing. Aww.
I don't want them.
That was
President, totally hair.
Is that actually a part of his movie?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see if I can find anything, but they don't got anything animated. We all just had a photo that's animated.
Oh, look how cute she is.
Nope, it wasn't even a 45-minute wait. Just got alerted. First time at Joe's Crab Shack. What? Oh, I said first time.
We're talking about
They watching wrestling. Oh, say that's you.
You have to bring that shark home.
Oh, say thank you.
Yes.
What you drinking? What you drinking?
root beer.
Oh yeah.
Try this.
Good God.
It ain't just beer, so
What's that on the outside?
I could taste that. I could taste. All right, y'all. Let's try mine.
I'm not trying yours. Yours has alcohol.
You can't.
I know.
That's good.
Yes, that's the F word. All of it. I'm clean.
That's a feeling.
I regret it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm pouring the rest of it.
Is that the drink where he comes over to Holly?
This is good. You want to try this?
Huh?
Totally better than Woodgrove. You got an egg with that?
All right, y'all. So day one, we didn't really do much but come, check
Get
in,
disappointed.
and then come to the aquarium and do Joe's Crab Shack. Y'all, they said the wait was 45 minutes. It turned into more like 15, 20. But anyways, I got the voodoo chicken fingers and fries with ranch, but I also got barbecue. It was really good. The shark bite drink was okay, but I could tell it was way too much. And I think we have like a 10-15 minute drive back to the room, and then to find somewhere to park. Sky had some good food. What'd you think of your food, girl?
Good.
Good. Cam?
Very good.
You, sir? What did you think about your steam pot?
Wow. The crab legs was overcooked. Overall, it was pretty good. The mussels was good. The shrimp was good. I can't even open my eyes and look at y'all.
So yeah, I let him finish my shark bite, y'all. So,
Yeah, because you definitely didn't finish it.
Ooh.
But,
that's all right. Who is right? Now, what the rest of the night holds, the Lord only knows. We could walk outside to the beach. We could walk out to the pier. I don't know. I just don't want to get in the water just yet. What you want to do, boo?
I ain't got no
You gonna
choice.
go on that pier with me, boo?
I ain't got no other choice.
It is getting dark outside.
Choice
For what?
to play.
It's 8:35 at night. We just exploring.
I want to get
Not tonight.
But he said, not tonight.
So anyway, yeah, I'll pick y'all back up when I figure out what we're gonna do.
Yeah, that ain't
Sometimes your love can make it grow.